3 bolts, it's 3 screws holding it in, and then once you do that, just pop it. Got 2 more holding this in. One right here. And one right here. You gotta slide your hand through here and you'll feel a button. And then flathead screwdriver going counterclockwise. Now we're gonna gently take this off. Honestly, looks like we could have done it without taking the dash off. Disconnect this negative. Phillips. This thing should just free out. Come on. Alright. Well, that's definitely not good. Alright guys, we got everything rewired. Let me show you guys what the original problem was. This is the headlight switch. You see how it has this, that it plugs in? Well, since this one melted, it stopped working. So I had to cut all this, rewire it, to just be able to put the new part in. Guys, we put in that wire harness just to be able to put in the new headlight switch. But I ordered this online. It's the first time I ever bought a part online. And they're obviously not the same. So I'm going to have to return this. But the connector that I wired into the Jeep, it's the right one. It was just the wrong switch.